Morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And today I will be discussing notebooks, which is a viewer's request. So on Zazzle, there are notebooks that are bestsellers, and they're broken down into three different categories that I noticed in the marketplace. And the first best-selling type of notebook are three-ring binders, followed by planners, and then your traditional spiral notebooks. Three-ring binders. There are over 300,000 three-ring binders in the marketplace. Popular themes include recipe, estate planning, weddings, genealogy, makeup and hair, graduation, photo albums, portfolios such as people wanting to showcase their work, real estate. Three-ring binder. So this is an example of one that I decided to create after doing research. Planners. So the second best-selling notebooks that I noticed are planners. And there's also over 300,000 planners in the marketplace. And popular themes are the girly, glittery type of planner, photos, logos. So the business logo, people showcasing their companies, animal print, animals in general, so photos of animals, uh, graphics, clip art, drawings of animals, very popular. Monogram, so the monogram initials, and also personalized name, text, those are very popular. These are some examples. And the third are notebooks or spiral notebooks. So there's 800,000 in the marketplace, and popular things are logo, personalized with your name or your monogram initials, wedding planner, pets. And something that I see that's rising are like the memorial, remembrance, and love and memory of. So I'm seeing that theme on notebooks. And this is an example of a notebook that I have for sale that's it's not a wedding planner, but it's still in line with the wedding theme. It's a bridesmaid favor notebook, and it's a heart shape, so I thought it was cute. And here are my final thoughts concerning notebooks. So notebooks, I believe they are a very promising market on Zazzle. And areas of focus would be binders, planners, and spiral notebooks. And I would even create collections centered around those three, the binders, the planners, and the notebooks. So if notebooks you're trying to sell and promote them, I would create a collection, or different various collections, just experimenting with, what will get you out there and combining those binders, planners, and notebooks with other products that Zazzle offers, such as stickers, pencils, other things to help promote your product. I also noticed that the business logo theme is very popular for binders, planners, and spiral notebooks. So that's a very popular theme. And most importantly, I will promote them on social media because that's what you want to do. That's the only way you can really get your products out there at a mass level. So the target markets that I would use would be I would focus on wedding planning and businesses. And there's other markets also out there. that you can try, such as the, um, of course, personalized gifts, and you may even want them to be personalized for various people in the family, or estate planning too. In real estate, you can target just any of the markets that I had listed, the popular themes, because your theme can be a market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.